Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage rolls with ground beef. First, gather your ingredients: 1 large head of cabbage, 1 pound of ground beef, a half cup of uncooked rice, 1 egg, and a can of tomato sauce. You'll also need some basic seasonings like salt, pepper, and garlic powder. This easy method ensures a delicious and satisfying meal for your family. To start, carefully core a large head of cabbage and blanch it in boiling water until the leaves are pliable, about 5 to 7 minutes. Meanwhile, in a large bowl, combine 1 pound of ground beef with a half cup of uncooked rice, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Add 1 egg and a half cup of tomato sauce to the mixture, then mix everything thoroughly. Now it's time to assemble your rolls. Take a blanched cabbage leaf and place a generous spoonful of the meat mixture near the stem end. Fold in the sides of the leaf, then roll it up tightly from the bottom. Repeat this process for all the leaves and filling. Arrange the finished cabbage rolls snugly in a large baking dish. Once all your rolls are in the dish, pour the remaining tomato sauce over them, ensuring they are well covered. Bake the cabbage rolls in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 90 minutes, or until the meat is cooked through and the rice is tender. Serve these delicious rolls hot, perhaps with a dollop of sour cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.